Right, good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, only wood floors. Hey, second day over here in Newport Coast, refinishing this walnut flooring. Let me turn this around. It's a beautiful view. You guys should enjoy it. Very nice. But look at this walnut flooring. We started sanding yesterday. They rearranged the kitchen, so we had a lot of wood to patch in, but now it's getting there. I mean, it's getting there. Beautiful. Ignore the noise. You can see it was hand distressed, so we have to sand a little bit more than normal. No dust. So we took that hand distressed walnut and flattened it out so it's tabletop smooth. And we're going to do the clear to keep it as light as possible. All right, guys, whatever you're doing, enjoy the day.